Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Evan.
Evan, very good. Tell me please, how old are you?
I'm 6.
6 years old. Are you ready to start?
Yes.
Very nice. We start with ABC. Tell me please, Evan, what letter is this?
F.
F. What sound has it got? Very nice. What letter is this?
M.
Sound?
M.
Good job. What letter is this?
P.
P. What sound has it got?
P.
Very good. Alright, let's go to the words. Tell me please, what is this?
Apple.
Apple. Letter?
A.
Nice. What is this?
Elephant.
Elephant. Letter?
E.
E. Very good. This is?
Hat.
Hat. Letter?
H.
H. Good job. What is that one?
Cat.
Cat. What's the letter?
C.
C. Very nice. What about this?
Ball.
Ball. Letter?
B.
Letter B. Very good. That one is?
Robot.
Robot. What's the letter?
R.
R. Very nice. Okay, moving on. Tell me, what color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow. What's the letter for yellow?
Y.
Y. Very good. That animal is a?
Tiger.
Tiger. Letter?
T.
Letter T. Well, what animal is that?
Octopus.
Octopus. Letter?
O.
O. Very good. So moving on. What's this?
Sun.
Sun. How do you spell
S. U. N.
it? Very nice. What's this?
Monkey.
Monkey. Spell monkey for me.
M. O. N. K. E. Y.
Good job. What's this?
Fox.
Fox. How do you spell fox?
F. O. S.
Good job. Okay, now we're going to read and write the words. Tell me, what is this?
Igloo.
This one is?
Zoo.
And this is?
Lion.
Lion. Now it's your turn to write them, Evan. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Very good. All right, let's read these words. Tell me what you write. What's this?
Igloo.
This one is?
Zoo.
And this is?
Lion.
Okay, good job. Even give me a high five. Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.